Cleaning precautions of magnesium oxide ball press. Magnesium oxide ball press cleaning needs attention. On the magnesium oxide ball press cleaning, we need to understand and pay attention to these details. We should carefully and real-time clean up the dust falling on the magnesium oxide ball pressing machine. In the process of disassembly, should be carefully dusted. It is strictly prohibited to invade the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear of the triangle lining plate, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the body of the magnesium oxide ball press, and clean it up. Replace the bearing grease. Check whether the bottom of the ball press and the safety bolt are loose and tighten them. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that the oil pressure of the magnesium oxide presser cylinder has a large pressure change, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the magnesium oxide ball press is found leaking oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leak.